Luna lies on her back at the village edge as evening falls. The clouds above shift into watercolor visions of dragons and castles. Her eyes light up with amusement. That one's totally a hippo wearing sunglasses. A strong gust of wind snatches Luna's kite and pulls it away. The kite is pulled through a hidden crack in the sky. I shout, "Wait, come back," and chase after the kite. I trip and fall forward. The marshmallow elevator begins its ascent, magical chimes filling the air. Luna's eyes widen with wonder, taking in the surreal surroundings. The elevator speeds upwards through the clouds. A sense of anticipation builds. The elevator doors hiss open, revealing a vibrant world of color and soft, puffy clouds. Animals in neatly pressed uniforms hustle around, diligently crafting clouds of all shapes and sizes. Ziggy the elephant smiles, his trunk waving gently as he booms. "Welcome to the Cloud Factory, rookie. You touch anything, you build it." Owls sketch cloud shapes with charcoal quills, their brow furrowed in intense concentration. Foxes mix sky colors on giant palettes, their paws wielding brushes with artistic flair. Bears puff air through flutes, shaping clouds into fluffy forms with their breath. Luna watches in amazement, her eyes wide with wonder at the organized chaos of the Cloud Factory. Luna stands amid the towering machinery of the Cloud Factory, a playful smirk dancing on her lips. In a moment of unexpected chaos, rainbow syrup cascades into a cloud mold, setting off a chain of unforeseen events. "Oh no, I didn't mean to," Luna exclaims, her eyes widening in surprise as the accidental concoction takes flight. Poof. A whimsical rainbow cloud, shaped like a banana dragon, rises and escapes through the open window, leaving a trail of wonder. Alarms scream from the Cloud Factory as the banana dragon cloud descends upon Luna's village. The village is drenched in banana-scented mist, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. The children cheer, their laughter echoing through the enchanted air. Even grumpy old Mr. Croak can't resist a smile. The Cloud Factory pulses with life as Ziggy the elephant observes, his grin widening. Ziggy the elephant remarks, "Well, would you look at that? Maybe we do need a little more imagination around here."